I ran out of cooking materials, so I'm gonna have to go ahead and make a trip to the store. Quick sale. You pay $4.37. I ain't paying nothing for this soggy junk. In-house special. While supplies last. I don't think you're gonna have a problem with that. Weekend sale. There's nothing on sale. 75% off. It must be expired. Prepare for hurricane season. How are glass jars gonna protect me from a hurricane? Oh, nice. Organic Pop-Tarts. I'll take 10. 50% off. Parmesan and herbs? And teriyaki? No way. 89 cents for some Simply Steam. I'll take 20. 46 pounds. My dog's only 5 pounds. I don't have any goldfish, but dude, I guess I gotta get one. What's wrong with salmon flavor? How do the humans know pets don't like this one? I like salmon. Bursting with flavor. I must have forgot to add the flavor. These things are 50% off. $2 for salted and $4 for lemon flavor. Lemons don't cost that much. Canned bread with raisins. I'm in. Oh, nice. Lifetime supply of red dye in one jar. I'll take it. What the pants? How's Halloween candy even on sale? It's not even Halloween yet. No way. My mom's rice. $9? Bro, what are you staring at? What the junk is this? You pay $1.50? I'm not paying anything for that. Some epic pancakes. 50% off. Probably doesn't include any epic. Made with olive oil. Why would I want olive oil on my peanuts? Now even tastier? I guess the original recipe was that bad. Pretzel shells? Why can't I just have regular pretzels?